Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. So today's video is gonna be very different as it's gonna be a vlog style video which I'm gonna try for the first time, and it's gonna be very exciting as I'm gonna try this brand factory old cloth exchange offer. So apparently I have two full bags of old clothes which I don't want anymore, so I just wanna try how this scheme works and what is the rate of particular pieces and how much you get in return. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. First I applied a little bit of makeup to look a little presentable. See, I have this two big bag full of old clothes which I don't want anymore. So I'm gonna take these two bags with me to the brand factory store and let's see what happens there. Weather was really nice that day, so I just thought of filming a bit for you guys while I was on my way to brand factory. I reached the venue and a big disappointment happened because that offer which I was really excited about didn't exist anymore. I was really heartbroken because I really wanted to buy new clothes in exchange of my old clothes, which I thought I won't have to pay extra money for it, but I guess my luck wasn't good that day. And that's exactly what I'm trying to explain here, but my sound isn't clear, so I have muted the audio. I'm sorry about that, but yeah, I couldn't experience the offer I really wanted to. I hope next time when it offer comes I get that notification in advance. Thank you so much for watching guys. Please excuse all my mistakes. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.